What if I told you that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 just a few months ago was under $700? And now for the same kit, it's nearly $1,000. That's not a glitch, it's tariffs. If you're a content creator or a vlogger, that price jump, it might just change your buying decision. In May 2025, the US imposed new tariffs on certain goods from China, including tech and electronics. That means imported gear like DJI's Osmo Pocket 3 is now subject to extra costs at the border. And guess who's paying for it? Yup, us. When I bought mine in November 2024, the Creator Combo Kit was $669. Today, some listings show it hitting $979 and beyond. Same camera, same kit, just a different policy. For creators like me, it's not about higher prices, it's about access. The Pocket 3 has been a game changer for mobile content creators for travel vlogging, fast B-roll, and for capturing moments without setting up a whole rig. It's compact, shoots in 4K, has a rotating screen, built-in image stabilization. I mean, it's already a smart buy. But now, with nearly a $300 price jump, that value proposition, it's a little harder to justify. If you're on the fence, here's a few things to consider. 1, buy used or refurbished while prices are still close to pre-tariff rates. 2, look at other compact cameras like the Insta360 Go 3 or the iPhone 15 Pro with gimbal accessories. And 3, wait for deals, but be cautious because with tariffs, prices might stay high for a while. I'm glad I got mine when I did, and it's still my go-to for everyday filming. It fits in my pocket and it performs great under pressure. But if I were buying it today, I'd seriously pause and evaluate other options. Look, I'm not here to say don't buy it, but what I am saying is know what you're paying for. And right now, you're paying more because of politics, not because the camera changed. So, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 still worth it? That's up to you. But if you've been eyeing this, consider this your heads up. Prices aren't what they used to be, and they may never be again. Let me know in the comments, would you still buy the Pocket 3 today at these prices, or would you hold off? And if you've already got one, how's it holding up for you?